Before you perform Umrah or Hajj, you need to enter a state of spiritual being called Ihram. Think of it as a superior type of purification. This purification begins with your physical cleanliness. Make sure to take a full bath or ghusl, ensuring that you clean all body parts. It is recommended that you perfume yourself at this time because once you are in Ihram, you are no longer allowed to use scents of any form. Shave or trim all unwanted body hair, underarms and pubic area, and clip toe and fingernails. Now you're ready to enter the state of Ihram. Here's how it's done. First, gather together your Hajj garments. For men, the Ihram garment is 2 large unsewn pieces of cloth. They're usually white. For women, wear any type of clothes worn for prayer. You will put on your Ihram garments at one of 5 places, designated by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. These are known as the miqat. If you're traveling by air, however, you will likely fly over the miqat instead, so make sure you wear your ihram before your flight. Once you are in your Hajj garments, make the intention to perform Umrah or Hajj, or both. Then pray to Rak'ah, or one of the 5 daily prayers if it's time, and begin Talbiyah. Now you're in the state of Ihram. While in Ihram, there are a number of things that you should not do. For men, do not wear stitched clothes. Do not cut your hair. Do not trim your nails. Do not apply perfume or scented soap and shampoo. Do not wear gloves. Do not touch your spouse with desire or have sexual relations. Do not hunt. Do not uproot or cut down plants. Do not engage in violence and excessive argumentation. Do not get married or perform a marriage. If you do any of these things, you violate the sanctity of Ihram. It's very important that you find out the expiation for these violations.